Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can check your 2025 Twitch recap, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to check your Twitch recap on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to twitch.tv, you're going to log in with your account, and once you're done logging in, you're going to come here and click at the top right corner on your profile, and then when you click on that, you'll see this Twitch recap 2025 button. You're just going to click on it. Here is your 2025 Twitch recap. You can scroll down and here you can see your Twitch recap as a viewer, or you can see it as a community member. You're going to click on anything you want, and if you have done streaming as well, you'll have a streamer recap here as well. And then scroll down, and here as you can see, this is how many hours I have watched, how many days I have visited, my top categories, my favorite streamers, my chat messages sent. And there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.